Emotional availability is like a dial, not a switch. And as therapists, it's our responsibility to learn how to toggle that dial. Before I explain more of what I mean, hi, I'm Dr. Carolyn Gray. I'm a licensed clinical psychologist and clinical supervisor. I help new clinicians develop their skills and their confidence. If that's your sort of thing, follow for more. So when I'm thinking about emotional availability, I'm thinking about how much my emotional vulnerability is at the surface. And the other end of that spectrum is going to be really protected. And I think to a degree, many of us do some of this work very naturally. I'm going to be much more emotionally available when I'm having a conversation with my spouse as compared to when I'm walking around the grocery store or, say, having a tense conversation with my boss. And for some new therapists, this is a really tough learning curve. Because, for example, when I'm in a session, I need to have a very moderate amount of emotional availability. I need to have enough that I can be attuned to and aware of my client so that they can feel felt when they're with me. But if I have too much, then I'm going to be overwhelmed by my client's emotional state, especially if they come in with a strong emotional state. And as a therapist, I kind of need to expect that that's going to happen from time to time. So if I'm too closed off, my clients won't feel connected to me. And if I'm too open, then my clients are not going to feel safe with me. Moreover, the specific amount of emotional availability that we need will vary from client to client. If I have a client who I know brings up a lot more countertransference for me, then I know I need to reduce my amount of emotional availability for that particular client because I know that they're evocative for me. Is this a concept that anybody has gone over before? Is this something that sounds familiar, sounds true? What do you think?